prison. It's 11 o'clock at night. And they said, what do you mean? I said, Westville. It's a prison of 12,000 men, built for 7,000, famous prison. And they said, we can try. And I said, okay, but I got to know by 8 a.m. tomorrow. It's 11 o'clock. And they're like, crazy. 7 o'clock, we get a call. My interpreter said, get him ready, get him there. We might be able to get him in. And so we sit outside that gate. They talk my way in. I go in, and we have this big thing. I speak to all these beautiful Zulu brothers. We danced, we sang. It was incredible. And I'm like, I preached in a prison. That was what I asked for. But what about the other thing? So I cruise across town. I'm like, Malou, you got to get me back to the thing. I've already missed the first half of today's program. So it's lunchtime, and everybody's already eaten. And I run over and get some food, and I sit down, and I'm trying to eat real fast. And all of a sudden, this lady, she's an Indian premier. She comes over and says, Mr. Cummings. And I said, yes, ma'am. She said, we heard that you were in a prison this morning. I said, yes, I was. We heard you preached about nonviolence. I said, I sure did. She said, I have a question for you. And I said, what? She said, we would like to know if you would speak on it. And I said, shut up. And I said, when? And she said, right now. And she grabbed me by the arm and she took me up, and I'm standing there in front of God and everybody, and Ela Gandhi and the kings and all this stuff. And I talked about my work. And I thought, how did that happen? I wanted it. I asked for it. I made a move. I looked for it. I received it. And what did it do to my faith? Steroids.